Alright, so if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share the video up. You don't know it, go already. If you're in need of a brand new house and you're in the Atlanta or Florida area, Donette Campbell is the person you should reach out to.
Are you looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further.
Sister Nadine Blossom, how you doing?
Oh, hello, Pastor. I not even did see you.
You didn't see me?
Good day, sir.
Good day. The Lord moving mysterious ways, man.
No, I did not see you.
So how you doing?
Oh, God, Pastor, you know, so why church me I come?
I know that,
I
sister.
was coming straight to you.
Well, you know, I hear through the grapevine that a little thing was supposed to happen with you and the church today, you know? A little-
I have it right here.
Oh, Lord, man.
Yes.
Lord bless you. The Lord bless you. Hallelujah.
You see where I'm sitting down in the church?
Yes,
I
sister.
noticed that that part of the roof is leaking.
Yes, sister.
I need you to fix that part over my head.
Done.
And I need you to put a ceiling fan where I am sitting down. And I need one of those, you know, that high class, you know, them high class quality chair with the nice pattern at the back.
Yes, sister.
Comfortable seat.
Oh.
Well soft. So when I sit in the church, I can relax and listen to you while you're preaching. Okay?
Yes, sister.
Yes.
Oh, Lord, it's a blessed day today.
Yes, and guess what? You need to buy some case of water, bring into the church, but it's 24 come in one case. You need to give me about 11.
All right, sister.
And you can
Done.
have the rest.
Oh, my
Yes.
God.
And anytime you need any more money to do anything in the church pertaining to me,
Yes.
you can just get in touch with me.
Yes, sister. Oh, I
Yes.
wish I had a lot more members just like you. I would have the best church. I would have the best church here, man. My God. And you said you're going to contribute some more?
Yes, anytime
Oh
anytime you
my
need any more
God.
money to do anything pertaining to me in the church,
Lord,
just call
Lord,
me.
there is a Lord. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Sister Blossom.
You're
Thank
a
you
good
very
pastor,
much.
you know, you're a good pastor.
Yes, man. This is, oh my
church
God.
Church was nice Sunday.
Oh, Lord. Yes, sister.
I enjoyed the service so much.
Yes. Anyway, this is highly appreciated. I'm gonna make sure I meet all of your demands. Oh, thank you, sister. Anyway, I have make sure it's properly. You know, I have a very small issue I want to talk to you about. It's pertaining to your daughter. All right, you know how this church is, and you know how we stay and everything that goes here. I know through the grapevine a little thing is happening, and it doesn't look good, sister. Pertaining to your daughter, you know, people saying that she, especially at your house with a gentleman, she's not married, and you know they're involved in certain little, you know, and stuff. And you know, this church and certain things we don't condone, we don't do. So I'm just asking you to just address and see what you can
Okay,
do about
Pastor.
that. You
I'm
know?
going to talk to her. And you know, Pastor, I really love for my daughter come on the choir.
Yeah, man, she can join, but she have to marry, you know. Because you know, marriage is honorable, and the bed is on the file, okay? So just see what you can do and get her convinced in our church. I mean, please, I'm begging you. You're a very good church member.
Yes.
Can't afford to lose you. I can't afford to lose nothing from you. But that little part, I beg you for just fix up for me with the daughter. You understand?
Pastor,
Yes.
I do understand what you just said to me. I'm going to try to see if I can talk to my daughter, but you
Yes,
see
sister.
that man that she's talking to,
Yes, sister.
I don't like him.
So you're not eye to eye with him? What's happening, sister?
Pastor, I'm going to tell you a little secret about that little dirty boy. You don't think it is rude for me to say dirty?
You know, we kind of patch up things still, because you know, in our church and my position, you know, but you can't have to really use that type of derogatory.
Pastor, the boy look like a one thief.
Well,
And he look lazy.
yes.
Me no want them the man they come be my son-in-law. My daughter is highly upgraded in her subject.
I know
Come
all of
out
that.
of college with bachelor degree.
I'm listening
I
to
fi go
you.
pick up them little dirt. I wonder if none of the church sister them and the church brother them might hear me. Please, me a bigger pastor, don't mention this to anybody. That boy look like a criminal. And to see me as a church member, big Christian in the church, we have so much money, more than the rest of church sister and brother them in the church. My daughter go pick up a little low class boy like that. Can you imagine, Pastor, how I'm feeling? I can't even sleep. I think about it all night, this little barefoot dirty boy when my daughter go pick up.
All right, sister.
Can you keep it undercover for me, please? Because the whole of the church people, them know people business too much.
You know, but to be honest with you, it's a little grapevine I hear a little thing, so it won't be on my side, but things might have been said. But I'm sorry to say, ma'am, but it's something that you're gonna have to address. All right. Remember, Sister Nadine Blossom.
Excuse me, Pastor. You don't have to say Nadine Blossom. You can just say Blossom.
Not a problem, sister. But listen to me. I won't be the type to judge because, I mean, you have been like in 3 failed marriages, and you know, for me to go and condone that young man, I think you have to just take it up and try see what you can do, because 2 young people, you know, when 2 young
Hello,
people.
Pastor. You see, my personal life, what, Pastor, me come to you in one good mind, please.
Okay, man.
Make the day be good.
All right.
Because you see, my personal life that I've been through already, please don't bring up my past to me.
You
understand?
I
Because
apologize.
the
I
man,
apologize.
them 3 man there, the 3 man them when me take up and married, they wasn't a good man. Pastor, you have to be careful how you speak to me, you know. Because the money that I just give to you, I draw it from my account to come and give to you personally to look about something in the church for me.
Okay,
and I
ma'am.
don't like how you speak to me. Please,
I
Pastor,
apologize. I
don't
apologize.
bring up my past to me,
All
please.
right. I apologize,
I know
sister.
many person you mentioned about my 3 marriages about in the
No,
church.
no, sister.
Did you
I
talk
don't
to
do that.
anyone
No,
about it?
I'm talking to you alone. Anyway,
Pastor?
I apologize. I deeply apologize. But everybody make mistakes and stuff. So I'm just asking you, you know, you're going to have to address this situation. As a mother, you're going to have to deal with it, because I cannot judge the young man which you're talking. So you have to address it. And I'm sorry, but I'm here to help people and everything. But for this instance, I apologize. I cannot help you. You have to
Pastor,
help that
anyway,
one.
me have to leave now because it's come like, look, the sky a get dark.
Yes, sister.
And me feel like the rain a drizzle.
Yes,
but
sister.
do not mention about them 3 little lazy, broke pocket man that with me they take up and me have them mind in
Sister,
my
it's
life.
there. It's here. It's none of my business. I apologize. I brought
But
it up.
if
All
I'm
right?
going to get married, I will tell you soon.
Yes, sister.
Yeah, because there's a secret that I
Is
have
there
to talk to
anybody
you
in
about.
you have in there?
This is just an engagement ring. I'll talk to you about it.
Whoa, okay,
Okay.
sister.
All right.
All the best.
Yes.
And thanks for that, here.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Highly
You
appreciated.
can call me when you're in need.
No problem, sister.
You're so beautiful, girl. That's why I buy a rose. You have me suicidal, suicidal.
No matter what the vibes.
Say, alright, eat some microcosm.
You want burger, please?
Bulla and cheese.
You want bull and cheese?
Yeah. Yes. No, you can just, yeah. Babes, you know, say, honestly, love spending time with you.
Me too, me love to enjoy the moment with you.
Like, honestly, when we're there around you, we don't tell no lie. It's like all of my burden them just gone. Like, you just take away all of my stress. Like, we should understand. We should like you could have just look through my eyes and feel through my heart how me feel, boy. Like just wish I could have get just a one opportunity there. You could have see the type of person is through my eyes. Really, really love you, you know?
One thing with them new year is the romantic.
Well, it's not the big thing that matters, just the small things that count.
I appreciate you much.
As what's more better than bulla and cheese and crackers? And not just that, a perfect girl like you.
Jessica,
Yes, mommy.
a time now for you and Brad moving.
That's never something mommy and Brad ever discussed before. And we already in a one good relationship. I'm in a one mash up.
Jessica, you need to get this in your brain. Me and one of the Christian them, we play with certain things and make certain things constantly happening in my house, and me not try to sort out the situation. You and him need to get together now, because me think uno dey. A matter of fact, uno dey long time. Why uno have to be apart, and why you want to stay in my house? You're not married. You're not going to church. Every time I invite you to church, you don't want to come. You don't have nothing to do with church. You want to have man. So you plan to live in a one fornication life. And you see in my house, it's not going to work like that. So what you plan to do, Jessica?
But me no want go move in with him and nothing go wrong. I'm if you end up come back up here. That would be your fault because you force me in it.
My fault? When you meet this man what you call Brad, was I there with you? Did I tell you to go and talk to him? No. Me no know how no meet. Me no know what kind of conversation no hold for they together. And after so long, like seriously, you can't get married and go to church, you can't stay in my house. You need to go stay in yard. Because my money when me they give you. You see, I give it to you because you're my daughter. Remember, you're not a child anymore. You're 20-year-old. You're 21 going on to 22. You're an adult. You're supposed to be responsible for yourself. But me just take you on me yard same way, and take care of you and spend my money on you. Because you know say me have my money. So me rather give you more than go waste it a road. But now you find a man. You need to go settle down with him and come out of my house because me not a fornication thing in my house, my love. Although you're my daughter, me not in a hit with you at all. No. So, what you decide to do, me I ask you a million times, what you decide to do, because I can't work out in here. And me not give me money for taking my no man a road neither.
Well, we have to go discuss about that because me just don't want jump to it. Me just don't want jump to it like that.
Where you don't want to jump to? You already jump in the relationship already. Everything jump in. You need to start out your life. You are 21 going on to 22 and you know your age. You is not a child anymore, You're not even sure in your mother's house. But me just make you stay because the space is here and me have the money like that. So me just make you enjoy it and inherit it. But you waste my money.
But mommy, marriage life not easy.
It's not easy. It's not easy. No. So you never know that before you go pick up man. And what kind of life you plan to live with one man where you are fornicate and him a fornicate? Did God tell you about fornication? Yes. He tell you about adultery? Yes. So you need to live a proper life to serve God. You're not staying in my house. Girl, me a Christian and me no want to make sake of you. Me turn back. A matter of fact, me no want to make sake of you. Me turn back. You get it away there? Yeah. So make sure you say you have a plan next time we will have a conversation with her because this thing is getting out of hand. All of my church sister them at church I talk about it. Oh, me a Christian, that the woman they are Christian and our daughter bad like a yours. You're the all about who to tell if a Brad alone you talk to. I do not trust you. And when me not there here, you they carry him come here. Me not in a hit. Me not in a hit with you. Okay.
Mommy, what you mean by?
What you mean by? You think so because me your mother and you live with me? That means say, me must uphold with every slackness where you do. Remember, say you're no baby.
First of all, mommy, a brother alone not alone me I talk to. Me not talk to no others man. And Brad knows that me love him. So me don't know why I'm
That's why you figure live with him because him knows say You love him. And when you say me, I say, no. Him no say, you love him. Why no can't stay together? Stay together, man. Birds of a feather flock together. When you go and go live together, don't stay with me. I don't know the same type of bird. Different generation of bird. This nobody with it in a this compound. I mean, now go take it no more. Me tired of my pastor. They call me and they talk to me and they tell me about church sisters and church brother carry news to him and tell him how my daughter this and my daughter that and why me not care at church. Me can't force you to go serve God. You have to go serve him yourself.
So true pastor, you go follow them.
True pastor, but a true them attack and a true non pastor. What do you mean true pastor? Whatever the pastor said to me is reality. Why me going to church and have you big old 20-year-old woman in my house and they disobey the rule of God? You don't want to go to church, you don't want to serve God, you just want to have man.
But I know every time you feel listen to pastor, because sometimes pastor don't talk
Yes,
facts.
I do. I know it don't make no sense. Pastor are the head for the church. We are the church member. If him a tell me something positive, me have to listen to it. And it is true. You need to go baptize and serve God. And married. Settle down with the bride where you say you have.
Are you sure if your pastor not do wrong in a church?
Well, that a pastor and God business. Me no go church to go get myself entangled in a people business or inquisitive and fast in a people business and play no hypocrite in a church. I go to save myself, not for them. And you is my daughter. I want to take you out of the dirty lifestyle. But you don't like it. I not tell you if you left bread, you know. You're not underage. Me no business who you want there with. But me go have to stop from give you me money. And that me I tell you, is either you go have to go live with him and then get a job and leave me alone. If I can still help you, I will, but you can't stay in my house. Me not tell you like, go on. You know what? Me I get hot. Me go drink some water. Sit down and think about it, because you see, next time me hold a conversation with you and you don't have no solid or perfect talking figure me, maybe me have to go show you what I call police for you. I'm serious. I'm serious.
At first I come around the other side of water here.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I say? You see this, so? It a come from a blue hole way up close around the Rasta Safari there.
I am boyfriend, carry me out more often, come show me around the place.
Babe, sometimes I want to carry go some places, you know. But it's because your mother, she just don't give me that energy, because she always have a problem if me tell her say I want to carry her up a loner to go eat little fish. Your mother go say, me don't like up this up. Me don't like them. Me can't deal with your mother. Like,
Matter of fact, we did it down at house look earlier and she just say, a time for we get married.
you see what I talk about?
And me tell her say I never something my both of we agree about. And she say if me not get married, she go take me off her will.
You see? Oh, she manipulative. Eh? Look, babes, we have so much things that we need to get done. And your mother just a pressure about marriage because of what? Our church people them. She want to just because she want to look good in front of our church people them.
And me I said to her, say she not sure where pastor do down there, so she can't force me. Because she said the pastor say how this and that.
Jessica, just want you to know, say, me love you. Like, me genuinely love you. And me know why, because your mother, she make we do some stupid stuff or something, or she force us to do something. We just have to take the time.
Brad, me no want mommy unhappy. Me want her to also happy.
Jessica, you just sometimes you think if you just be a woman, just woman up, Jessica, and stand up to your mother. Because you're not happy.
Yeah, but she just want the best for me.
Listen, your mother done already pass through our life already. We young, you know, we have to think about free life and free self. Your mother done go and make all bad decision them. And we know say me ain't not make no bad decision. We just have to take the time. There's so many more things that we need to get done, Jessica.
It's like how up here so nice and cool. What me I gotta do is take a time and come up here with her and the church come up here to talk about things.
Oh, yeah, I got talk about me, what I got talk about, Jessica. Like, what else we need to talk about?
But I can't stay, so you have to communicate with her.
Alright. Anything for you, no, babes. Because at the end of the day, just want you to be happy. Right? Once you're happy, I'm happy. So nobody, you happy?
Yeah, I am.
Then why your face look so? Why your face look so?
Babes, you know some love you.
I love it too. Come on, I'll go and say what's soon.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Then, she's peace. Babes.
What you call me for?
Babes.
I want
Look there.
what you say?
Babes. Look what you do my new shirt.
LG, you want to the shirt?
I mean, my one to the shirt, you know, big old sitting this night. I bleach on my shirt in a bit.
You accuse me of something?
No, but what you know, but this never did that, eh?
A long time me I wash. Me not gonna bleach out your shirt.
So then I want to do this.
You accuse me of something?
Babes.
You want to wash them yourself?
No, never said that. But this never did in there. No, me I
So
look
what
like
me I gonna bleach out your shirt for? Tell me.
no, me I look like a fool I go on the road.
Next time you wash your clothes them yourself then.
Don't say them something, no, man. Nah, say how I just cool, no, man. But this can't.
This what?
Yeah.
What?
Nah, I look cute, man. I look nice. I go on the road, now this.
So you want to look nice to somebody else? Is it?
I don't know nice to somebody else, but the shirt, I want colored for me.
Next time you wash your clothes them yourself. You hear me to the LG? By the way, we have to take off clothes off where you go. Where you go?
I go link Brad.
Brad, who?
You remember Brad, man? With my long time virgin Brad.
You sure Brad you go link?
Yeah, man, Brad Pitt, man. I go give him one link, man.
Nobody make me spit a grung and it dry. I ain't no come back in the yard here. You have a next thing coming.
Nah, stay along there, bro.
Nikki.
Me there, where you say?
Me over here, you know. I mean, here you talk to your boyfriend. You cannot talk to him, so you know, so I'm big.
So that concern you?
Me I look out for you. Then if you really cannot drop down you.
Not you see him big and strong, did him soft like a teddy bear, him not lick me.
Alright. Can't say me no want you, you know. Be careful.
That's all you have to say?
That's all me come over here to say.
Alright, bye.
What go on, Mr. Brad Pitt? You know, I'm only carrying for them spots. They link me have to come here so you know, and something good for tell me, you know. What I go on now?
What's the man clean out the bogo tail?
Something on my nose?
The bogo.
See, you know, so certain people wouldn't tell me that. Hey, a real bridge guy, you know. Yo, that's a word, man. Hey, that's how we are friends from longer time, man.
For real, man.
No, I lie to you. My real brother, man, appreciate that.
Friday, I don't know, dog.
Talk to me, man. What about that?
Mr. Jessica, mother, my youth. It's long man, the dog. I be a pressure, I put the girl on there, you know. Like, I force a girl in to do certain things, my youth.
But just a kind of big woman. She can make her own decision.
Let me I try to tell her from when, my youth. It's like, me don't know what happen down in church or what go on, but it's like she a tell Jessica say, yo, me and her if get married and we can't stay in one place unless we married and make no sense with day so long and no married.
No, brother, but a serious things, then, man. No, man, then. But she can't talk to you. She can't determine how your life go. You're a big man. You have to put on your foot and set ground rules in a brother.
Bro, actually I love Jessica, Actually I love Jessica, my youth. But me I try to tell her say, just talk to your mother. You have to be the one to talk to your mother. Cause you say if I talk to your mother, I don't want to seem like me I disrespect a woman, my youth.
But you don't have to be disrespectful, brother. You can talk to her in a stern, respectable manner. If you go to her and make she know, say, oh, look here now. And me are the man. Me not in the foolishness. Me get married when me ready to get married. Me love your daughter and she love me, and that is all there is right about now. You have to put your foot down.
You don't know half of that the woman there. It's
Is it that bad?
worse than the woman with Mr. Harvey married to. Worse. Worse. This a woman here, it's a worse like how she have her money, brother. She manipulative, bro. She control Jessica to a level there, brother, me I tell you. It's like Jessica not even want do without.
Yes, she have to ask permission to do them something there. No, man, I can't live underneath them rule. Wait, thinking about it, not 3 marriage she got you. As she see one man at 3 marriage she got you, and them they end up fail too. Come here, say she's this boss type person. As she determine when you eat, when you sleep. No, man. People can't live underneath them government, the man.
It's because she know say when he marry the man them with their money and then what he do? In divorce the man them and then take half of it, bro. So it's like all of them the money they want divorce the man them when thief from the man them, bro. So because she have the money there, that's why she behave so.
This is me giving you a sound advice. You have to be the man. You have to stand up for you believe in her. And you have to face this woman. Yeah. And make sure no say you're not afraid of her.
LG, come here, them want to talk to you.
Me no come up before it dark. What happen now?
No, man, I'm not that. I want to talk to you about something else.
Come on.
Come on, babes, come here.
You come friend me up saying something you want, or something you want me to do. What me do? What me do? So is what happened make you deal with me so nice now?
Me just want to apologize about earlier. Cause when me say you never right and you know deal with me so bad, you know me sorry. Apologize.
Yeah, alright.
So what that for?
You normally talk to me so nice. So me really have to check. Is this Nikki? My Nikki?
You know, sometimes you look in yourself and rethink your actions and say all of that never necessary. So maybe just do some self-evaluation and be me really sorry.
You really mean it?
Yeah, be.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Look how they answer.
A bump today.
Bomb?
Take out. You see, they not even come out too long, they in the all up.
Yeah, say what your mother You know, say man, no rate, no respect, none of we.
Why you say that?
Look how long she have just wait for her.
How
Eh?
far she come from, you know?
I drive, she drive. She that not far. I just 2 minutes from down the road. I drive.
So nothing wrong if it's long as I wait.
Sure. Oh, so she a come now too.
So I understand not ready to talk to me about. What not talk to me about? Me come now so me need to hear it and make sure say it makes sense. I want me so.
Babes, talk to your mother now.
Mommy, calm down now, let me talk to you now. We come to this agreement, but it's something
What you said? Disagreement or agreement?
agreement.
Okay.
So me that one
Wonder say what? If you dey talk to me, you talk to me because all when you how much you ear roll, you still dey act like a baby. You need to talk like an adult. You how much ear roll. You're not baby again, you know. You need to talk to me now, man. I no waste my time. You no call me to talk to me, see me here. Talk to me.
is something
With something.
Alright, if you know what. Alright.
I don't understand. What going right here, so no talk.
What she a try to say? What she a try to say is we are big people and we're not ready to marry yet. And we just don't feel like we want to be forced to get married right now. That's what she a try to tell us.
I was she try to tell me, Sarah, what did two on no plan to tell me, say, go
Well, we basically come to that. We're not ready yet.
to the agreement, they are no disagree with it. Because she when they chat about disagree and agree, me no know, go. You no need to talk, make it make sense. Man.
Alright, Miss-
Understand
Miss-
how they
Miss-
go on it.
alright, Miss
Listen
Nadine.
to me, you talk already and what you say no make no sense because you see if the two on no plan say uno not ready for married, Lord have mercy God. It can't work in a family house. Because me tell that the church people they might chat about what they go on in a family life. Cause my life story is like a book. They read about my life story every day, then turn one page.
Miss Nadine, listen to me. What we are is the thing
No.
is, Miss Nadine, listen now.
You
Listen.
no can't tell me someone not ready for married, you know get me upset.
Jessica, you say, this me I talk to you about, you say your mother. Me a
Mommy
big
just-
man, you know, me not supposed to go through them something, you know, Jessica.
Mommy
Eh?
just listen.
You know, listen to your daughter, what we actually have to tell her, say, oh, we're not ready to get married yet, and you can't force.
So when you not go get married?
We just not ready yet. Look how much things we have.
Well, okay. You see, for the time being when uno sound not ready to get married, I wonder if you understand what me I say. You and she have to go live together. Uno can't stay in my house.
Well, we not have a
And my
problem.
money I spend, I no for uno. And guess what? All of them money the way me and Gary go have to stop right there so. The money the way me and Gary and she take it they give you, it have to go cut off. The only way she get anything more from me unless uno married.
But mommy,
Miss Blossom. I don't like say, mama say me at work too, you know, Miss Blossom. Me at work. So I don't like say, and plus, I don't like say me live at your place. Me not live at your yard.
Whatever you want name Brad or whatever, then call you. You see your little chicken feed money where you are work, monkey money that. Me can give you that every day. So if it you take and use and trick my daughter, say you are go married when you're ready, because you're not ready now.
Jessica,
No one to know
you
what
see
is
all
the
them
problem, why it can't happen now.
Jessica, you see all them disrespect now. Me ever try to use it yet, Jessica?
no, mommy, you're too ignorant. More if you come.
You need to shut up for your little mouth. You need to shut your mouth.
Jessica, you're a big
Because you
man.
don't have no sense. You make fool and you dey fool you. This boy will never marry you. And I hope you dey use protection because all when you're 100-year-old, if you make some careless boy breed you, look at them here. I know in my house here stay. You know what? Make me come go on about my business because you see,
If me never have a little bit of respect for you.
them your class you take up.
Right now, you know. I'm telling
Them
you.
your class here to be my what? Son-in-law.
Me have my little thing a come in, maybe not be as much. But me have family little money a come in.
You see the money where you are work? A chicken feed money that. Me, where you sit down here so, can give you that every day. If you deserve it. But look on you too. Them you low class boy ya. We not educated. Remember me send you to school, you come out to do much subject and me send you go to college. And then you kind of
Stop embarrassing.
invalid ya. You take up your psycho. I say go. I say come down. Them you all fat ya. Depend for your level. You know what?
Mommy, me love you.
Jessica, really, as long as I make him mad disrespect me like that, Jessica.
Jessica! Jesus Christ, this girl is a real idiot. Jessica!
Yeah, go ahead. Thing good? Well, I'm not sure everything they go there, man.
What do you mean? How do you know?
Remember other day, you can link me. And you tell me, say, if you put on my foot,
I'm giving you some sound advice, yeah?
come like I worst advice I ever give me, like, for all the years I know it.
Why you say that?
Other day, Jessica mother, can link.
That means that you have the conversation then.
We have a conversation, yes, and I put on my foot, and it come like say worst mistake me ever do.
You sure you put on your foot right?
Brother, I put on my right foot and make sure it's bro. Me make human know say yo, me a big man, you know, and Jessica a big woman.
Yes.
You see me? And she can't chat to me and force me to do nothing what me no want to do.
Yeah.
But it come like say I worst thing me ever do my youth.
What do you mean?
You want to threaten me and Jessica, you know, I tell we all sort of nonsense and I say if we can't if we not married and all that, you know. And say we will stop give Jessica money, you know. What kind of style that there? Eh? And the mother make Jessica know say she will stop give her money, brother.
But that's not supposed to bother you, Brad. Because you at work.
Brother, me at work, but you already know say a little bit of money when me at work, dog. It don't make no sense. And Jessica help for men up some my responsibility. Then I get me I say? So not like say you little money when me at work. It just a go back out in the bills, my youth.
Swear that
And I try to tell the woman say, yo, me and Jessica not ready for that yet, dog. We not ready for that yet. You get me I say? We have enough other things that we need for deal with, you know. See right now I want all a settee for want a couch and me not have no money for buy. You get me I say? So them the little things that me I try to tell the woman, brother. And it's come like they don't understand. And just come like come on like yo. Yo, because me love that girl, you know that. Except me never love that girl, I tell her say yo, I'm gone a long time, you know man.
So let me ask you this. So at the end of the day and the end of that meeting we did have, who come out victorious?
Based on how I see it, you know. And that woman they come out victorious because human take Jessica and gone, brother. You say she gone with Jessica. And Jessica run gone back at me. I say, I can't believe say Jessica this Jessica do me. So right now you come and say, me have to just go down there man and just go fix things and just make and just say oh, just marry and done here man. Cause I come like that I only other options right now.
Well, you see, I have to think about this, you know. And you as my brethren, I have to give you a sound advice on this. And in my settings and how me look on things, I think it's best you ensure say you are married for the right reasons. Brad, you cannot venture into a bond or a relationship because people are forced you to do it. You have to ensure say you want it. And it's best for you and the party, not the party and you. So you have to know what you are doing.
Bro, you well comfortable, you know. You can't talk, you know. And your mother gave this, so you don't have a bills to pay. Your mother take care of you. You don't have no responsibility, so you alright. Right now, me know your mother probably saying money in restaurant you not already feel.
Boy. Brad, I'm not gonna lie to you, you know. That is all true, you know. My mother do send money for me. But then, these are things where you don't know. You see me and my girl Nikki, I don't know better roles. It wasn't a better rose. Yeah? We had some very difficult, being honest, me not gonna talk too loud. Nikki used to bad me up to, you know, brother. Yeah, man. As much as me did tell you if you put on your foot, me did have that problem there in my yard. But it work out when you have the right person gotta go fix things. Because it work out that she did some self-evaluation, brother. And sit me down one day, me and she had a beautiful meeting underneath that same almond tree. And me I tell her, she apologized and she heartfelt apology. She did, yo, brother, how she say it, man, me I tell her, say me almost cry. She look into herself and she say, yo, she know, say me is a good man. And she know, say me is a valuable person to her life. And she love it. And she appreciate it. And going forward, she say, yo, she nah jeopardize it.
Alright. Wait. Cause come like say I force me while you're Nikki. I want Nikki do to you so. Eh?
Why? I know. Only what she do, you know. She helped me become a better person, while me help her be a better version of herself.
Alright. Me not go tan long. Don't you? Yeah.
Just do what you need to do. And as me say, ensure that you, at the end of the day, benefit from any situation you put yourself in.
Remember you are my best man, you know.
Just cool, man. Anytime, anything. As long as you say you're ready and want to do it, I support you, brother.
Alright, big up yourself. Yo, yell up Nikki for me here.
Say a word, man.
Yeah.
Let's say a word, big brother.
What happened? I want me to walk in so like me I no sleep. You no can't say hi.
You know say me and Jessica we come to a decision and we think they're ready to get married and all. So we come for ask for your blessing and your hand in marriage. Understand? So we have a rough start and we did have something we always wanted, but we did go through a little something. I am sorry if me ever try to disrespect you in no way, shape or form, but I really ask you for your blessing in the marriage.
Well, me glad to know so no make up no mind and come to a decision and decide to married is of God, it is not of man, and that is the right way to live. She is my daughter. I will give you the money and I don't want it back. I will send it straight to my daughter.
Miss Nadine, really?
Yes. I'm going to send it straight to her account and then I'm going to start out on the live.
Thank you, Miss Nadine.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Miss Nadine. But if I not me, just work and just give it back.
No, I don't want it back.
Alright, but we are going to go here.
Okay.
Thank you, my new mother-in-law. Thank you again. Here.
Have a nice day.
Thank you again.
Sorry for me. Jesus Christ, mommy, I couldn't knock.
I want me to still in a bed. Sun hot. Yes, you are young people. You are young people. But you remember, say, it over now. You married, reception done. You enjoy yourself. A matter of fact, Mr. and Mistress. Because some have to address you now, you know. You don't do one or do and it look like you want to go on second round. So you don't see sun hot. A lazy somebody like do them sitting there when you not done. 1 week out, 2 week out. You was on them from and you don't kill on the backside. Get up and go find something to do.
Mommy, we married in you no little respect and have for we.
Miss Nadine, really, Miss Nadine, suppose me did naked. Eh? You can't do that, Miss Nadine. Me understand, so we in your place till you know. Your place with all due respect. But we in the room. See that me not have no clothes, Miss Nadine, and you come in here.
Hello. Me glad the two of you know say this place belongs to me, not Uno, all when my daughter. The only time it belongs to her when me sign over it to her, me not do that yet. I mean, I don't know if me about to do it. You understand? Listen to me. A day now and a night. You see them here sitting here one on a galang with. Uno galang in one of the galang in here with. Eh? And night. This is one. No day. Sun hot. Look here, uno honeymoon over. Uno get up and go find something do not talk when you talk.
Miss Nadine,
Utada.
Miss Nadine, when we did that talk, when we did go talk to the pastor, you know, the pastor never have a problem with it if we did do it day or night, don't it? He never said nothing to it.
I just want to talk with fun.
Fun. I disrespect him and I just disrespect you know, babes. Like seriously, but on a big man level. And then I talk about it.
Babes, you can't follow mommy. Mommy just want to stop with fun.
Fun, babes, they talk about fun. I mean, what if we did actually in here do something? Eh? How long we go actually put up with this? How long?
My shopper jealousy just.
You must know your mother still, but what I say is we have to do something about this. We have to either go talk to the pastor and make him know where your mother going. Because I don't think your pastor really say your mother really stay. I don't think he be so when he there on the pastor. We have to do this. Cause what then I see him so you don't want we have pity and carry him come in a them situation. He's a big man, you know.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
Hey, how you doing? Young couple. How are you? I'm just here checking for Sister Blossom. Is she here?
You know, so she not there, pastor.
Okay.
But you know, say I was meaning to come and talk to you.
Okay.
And me and my wife here. Because pastor, me not tell you no lie, sir. I'm a big man. And me and my wife. Since we married, it just get worse with Sister Blossom. It just get worse, pastor. Like, we don't have no privacy. Imagine all early in the morning, we don't come out of bed yet. And you know, say we're married now, so we legal to do certain stuff. You understand? So we in our room and we just barge in, and when the night time come, she all up in her room we do it till all 12, 2 o'clock and then try because she don't want to do nothing.
So have you guys spoken to her?
Why, pastor, it's like, I don't know if, because we talk to her, but it's like we are wait for her to change and it come like a second coming of Christ. Nothing not change.
You know, actually, I had no idea it was that bad.
Pastor, it passed bad. It passed bad, pastor.
But let me ask you something. You know, which actually is one of the maybe the main problem that you guys need to get out. I mean, you guys are married. I marry you. I don't think you guys should be under her roof. What about that?
Pastor, we try everything possible to come out and go on with one because me and my wife, we talked about this before, you know. So actually, we never ready for married it, pastor. We not tell no lie. We never ready for married it. And she forced me, you know, because we have so much other things, pastor, we want to achieve.
So what about you? It's your mother. So I mean,
Pastor, mother very miserable, but what I think, she is very overprotective. She just want the best for both of us. So.
yes, but I mean, she can't be just meddling. I mean, you guys are married.
You know how your mother stay. She no respect with. After you listen to your pastor and come out and place with you.
Yes, man. So I mean, you guys have to make this step. If you don't make the step, it's not gonna happen. But you know what happened? I'm gonna give her a little talk. I'm gonna give her a serious talk for you guys.
Pastor, if you could have do that, we would have really appreciate it.
Right. I
convince her to make we get we one a place, pastor. Because you know, say as a man, honestly, we want to start with one family, and it not look good for we carry look with family in our family house.
So she was. I mean, she even. I know. Come on, man. She has to let you guys go. She has to let go. I mean, marriage is something that, sacred and stuff, and you guys have to move on. You have to move on. But first and foremost, you have to get out of this place. This is her place. This is her domain. Once you're in there, she rules. So you guys just have to you have to get out.
You see what made that talk about, babes?
Listen, guys. Tell you what. I understand the situation. She's not here, and I have to leave. So, if I'm gonna talk to her, and if you guys don't get any satisfaction, you come and you see me again. You know where to find me.
All right, Pastor. Nice.
Yes, man. All the best to you.
Really appreciate it.
Yes, man. All right. So I'll see you guys.
Okay.
All right. Hey,
Pastor.
how you doing, young man?
Good.
How are you? Yes, man. I see you in church. I heard you want to be. I heard you want to talk to me about this baptism thing. Are you really serious about it?
Yes, sir.
By the way, how old are you?
12.
12.
Ah.
Why I tell you, 12-year-old. Jesus started out at 12, but a lot of things he accomplished, but to be honest, I think that 12 is a little bit young. My opinion, my personal opinion. Because of past things where baptized kids when they're too young, normally most of the time it doesn't work out. So I just think that maybe I'm gonna give her a couple more years to come back and see me. And if your mommy really want to come and have a conversation with me, she can come. But I really think that 12 is a really bit too young. So just my opinion, give it some time. And what you do is tell her to come and see me if she object. Okay? But I really love the gesture and thing. I love it when kids like this take it really serious. But from past experience and a lot of experience, I just think maybe you're a little bit too young. Keep them grades up. You know what happened, all right?
I'm a top student, man. I had to get student guns rep.
What? That's good, son. Anyway, I'll see you Sunday. Make sure at church.
Yes, sir.
All right? So have a good day. Yeah, man. Take care.
Good evening, sir.
How you doing, Sister Blossom?
I am okay.
Yeah, man. It's always a pleasure to see you, How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
I'm just looking at your attire. You're going or you're coming from the gym?
You know that, Pastor, I was about to go to the gym, but because you called me, I just come to hear what you have to say to me.
Oh, okay. Now that makes sense. Anyway, the reason why I called you is what I've been hearing through the grapevine as usual. I was talking to your daughter and your son-in-law. What I heard, I'm not too pleased at the whole scenario, what's happening between you and that situation. I just want you to think clearly and think what you're doing, because what happened? They're
Pastor,
young.
hold on a little bit.
Yes.
You see the fan that you put in the church over my seat?
Yes.
Oh my God. It can't cool no more. It come like a AC. Thank you very much for that fan.
Yes, but we're not gonna really move from the subject because.
And if you need any more donation, I can give it to you. Just call me. That 2-room house that you have up there. I can buy some material to put it in blocks. Wall. I can buy black, cement and stone and everything give you. And those zincs that you have over there and the old stuff. I could get a driver to come and take them up for you and throw them away, and buy some new one, give you.
Yeah, I understand, but I'm somebody from humble beginnings, and I work slowly in what I have and I take my time. I'm really, all right, I have a shelter over my head and whatever. So, but on a serious note, I don't want you to change the subject. I want to really.
Excuse me, I have something to say to you. The other day when I come to the church, I saw some chairs in the church. If you see the back of the chair, then tear up, me can get them redo over for you,
Sister,
refurbish the church.
Sister,
I can give you some money.
Sister Blossom, it's just the situation. Please, just let us address this and then we talk about that.
Okay.
I appreciate everything that you have done.
I'm listening.
All right?
Okay, I'm listening.
Back to the subject at hand. They're young adults. I think you should give them a try. Everybody make mistakes. They may be making a mistake. But how can you know?
Get to the point, sir.
The point is that I'm
going
asking
to the
you.
gym.
Fine. But just could you please just give the young couple a chance? It might work out. It might not. But you're in the midst of it and
Pastor, me give them a chance. Sister, they're married. And how comes they married? All because of me. Just get to the point. What are you talking about?
I am just saying that you should just leave them alone.
Leave them alone?
Yes, just
Jesus, have mercy upon me, Jesus. I don't know what I done wrong in this more than get the two young people them married. And that is from God, not man.
I think it is time for you now to just give them a break and just let them live them life. From the situation, and I'm begging, I'm telling you, it's for the best. Things will work out.
Pastor, I think I want to withdraw, myself from this church because
come on, sister,
too
man.
much hypocrisy in the church.
You're not being rational. All right, sister. I'm just getting to the point. You want them to be married? They're married. All right? And what I suggest to you, I'm just going to brief it out. Just keep out of their lives. Please. Just keep out of their lives. Sister Blossom, just give the kids a chance. Just keep out of their lives. All right?
Pastor, are really that you did call me about?
Yes, sister.
Okay, thank you very much. I was on my way to the gym, so take care. Have a good evening.
All right. You have a blessed day.
Okay.
And I will see you Sunday, right?
Okay.
I will see you Sunday.
Yes, I'm coming.
Okay, just be sure.
Babes, we have to get one place, because it I get from bad to worse with your mother.
It's a straight with us do the right hand doing.
How you do now, Miss Blossom?
Go and talk to him. So no bother quarrel because I no come in no argument with him right now. My pastor see me and talk to me about a relationship and me they intervene in our business. And I look into it and know say it wrong. So I come to apologize to you, Jessica and Brad. Please may I ask you if you can forgive me. You see, to me go through certain stuff in a real life with me 3 man them when they did married. And then disrespect me never want nothing to happen to my daughter. So me think say I wasn't a good man for my daughter. So I'm sorry. I am very, very sorry. Please forgive me. Please, may I ask you, please forgive me.
Promise?
Me promise I'm not busy with you again. You understand me? And please, may I beg you, just hurry up and give me some grandchildren. I really need them. I really need some grandkids around me for hello. Grandma, me hungry. And me can get to carry them out, carry them go to the park, buy them this and buy them that. You understand?
But you promise this is it. We can actually move out now and go get one place.
If you don't want to move out, you don't move out. But remember, any problem in there, whether on the right or on the wrong, you have to stand up to no one consequences. Me don't business with you again. Me no business with no relationship. Me done. Me not mingle. Me not interfere. Me tell you already. Me tell you again. Me swear. Me no care about nothing you wanna do again. So you can move out if you don't want to know. If you don't want to stay in there, you can stay in there.
No, so we not stay, man. But me whatever I pass, I tell you, it work. And we forgive you. We forgive her.
Yeah, we accept that apology.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes.
Surprise.
looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further. With over 20 years of experience, we cater for all weddings and events island-wide at an affordable rate. Stop what you're doing. Pick up the phone and call the number on the screen. We are dedicated to serve you.
I'm Danette Campbell, broker of Sunshine Real Estate Pros, and I'm here today with my business associate, Mr. Louis Witter. Some of you may already know Mr. Witter. He is the host of CRR FM radio in Kissimmee. We cover, as realtors, we cover Orlando, Ocala, Kissimmee. I'm also based in Atlanta, so we are here to help you with your real estate needs pretty much anywhere in Florida.
Yes.
Or Atlanta.
That is correct. And so we invite you to call us. Our number 321-946-9944. That's direct. For the office is 407-201-5400. And we are open 5 days a week from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. down.
Yes, can also reach me directly at 407-449-3371. We look forward to hearing from you.
Yes, from Sunshine Real Estate Pro.
If there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use they capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up, see him Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and you can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right. Thank you for watching the video to the end. It's always a pleasure of mine to say thank you because we create this content and we want you to enjoy them, to watch them, and to feel a sense of a message is there for you, because that's the whole reason of us creating this content, is just to bring awareness to a lot of situations and a lot of scenarios that happen in our real life. So thank you very much for watching. All right, so we're here with Gladys, and she came all the way from
Bahamas. Yes.
We're not mixed up with Barbados.
No.
She come all the way from Bahamas.
We got Barbados to play.
Yeah, we got Barbados if you want to watch. So we really appreciate the fact that she take the time out from all the way across waters.
Yes.
And come look for us. That means it shows, it really speaks volume that we're doing something good.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
If you're a person just take up our time, spend our money, come all the way to Jamaica, we look for it.
Yeah.
So we appreciate it. You know what I say?
Yeah.
So big up on yourself. And I'd say it speaks volume the fact that she is not a Jamaican.
No.
You know what I say?
But I love the movies. I ask my friends, I say, how come y'all don't support y'all own? Because they have good movies and not a lot of cursing and whatnot. But I tell them, I say, now he's saying, Christian. But at least you have decent movies that you could watch. You understand? Yeah, and it's practical movies. I learned a lot about Jamaica just by watching your films.
Right, so quick question though. The fact that because we know sometimes we go down deep in the patois.
Yeah.
You understand all what I say?
Little by
I think them only difference in them speak faster than we.
Do you feel like you don't speak fast?
Yeah.
I think y'all speaks faster than us, but because I watch a lot of Jamaican movies, I can pick up the patois.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I know Regional.
Yeah, you know say Regional.
Regional.
Yeah, man. So we appreciate it. And our goal and belief is that we want the Caribbean to tune in, man, and jump in from where
Yeah.
because at the end of the day, we are all one people. you know.
Yeah.
It's just that we're separated by waters.
Right,
but
right.
We're all one people. So
We're really separated by the people that were above still, but and by water still. We are one people.
one people.
And them separated.
If a person not hear you, they hear your accent, they probably think say you're Jamaican.
Yeah.
Yeah, they not hear your accent. They think
I tried to talk.
I true,
I
cause
tried to
me,
talk as close to y'all as I could. That's why I learned the different lingo that y'all say, so that I could say, okay, yeah, I know what you're talking. I understand what you're saying.
And the funny thing too, right now probably if you go somewhere in Jamaica, you see somebody say, see, you look like so and so.
Yeah, true.
Yep, man, but that's what I say. I think we are all one people. We're just separated by different countries, but one people, man.
Yeah. Peace out.
big up yourself, man. Big up yourself.
One down.
Carlin.
Yes.
Okay, and you're her friend or sister?
I'm her mother.
Oh, mother?
Lie.
A lie. Mommy looks so young.
What? God is good.